friends. Welcome back to Paradise Beach, Greece. And if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps the channel and it helps this beach travel even further around the world. Today we're taking a relaxing walk along one of the biggest and most open beaches on the Athens Riviera, VÁrkiza. This is a beach with space, real space, the kind of space where you can breathe, walk freely, and yes, even walk your dog along the shore. By the way, quick question for you. What kind of dog do you have? Write it in the comments. Big dog, small dog, or maybe no dog but you love dogs anyway? A big, open beach, perfect for walking. VÁrkiza is wide and long. That's what makes it special. Here you don't feel trapped between sunbeds. You don't feel rushed. You don't feel like someone is always right behind you. It's perfect for long walks, morning jogs, sunset strolls, and relaxed walks with dogs, especially outside peak hours. Early mornings and late afternoons are walking dogs, couples strolling quietly, and people just enjoying the sound of the sea. This beach feels free. How to get to VÁrkiza? Very easy. Getting here is simple, depending on traffic. The coastal road is beautiful. Sea on one side, city on the other. By public transport, buses from central Athens and the southern suburbs run regularly. It's affordable, reliable, and very popular in summer. By bike or scooter. If you love coastal rides, this is one of the best routes on the Athens Riviera. In short, VÁrkiza is far enough to feel relaxed, but close enough to be easy. Tourists from all over the world and why they love Greece. As we walk, you'll notice people from everywhere. Tourists from the USA, they love the space, the sun, and the fact that lunch can last 2 hours. Americans come to Greece and suddenly forget how to rush. Visitors from Germany, they love the clean water, the walking paths, and the organization. They arrive on time and still stay longer than planned. French travelers love the atmosphere, the light, the sea, and somehow always find the best cafe without even trying. Brazilian guests bring energy, smiles, and laughter, and they're usually the first ones in the water, even if it's not officially warm yet. British tourists enjoy the sun like it's a rare treasure, and honestly, after British weather, Greek sunshine feels like a miracle. Everyone comes here for different reasons, but they all stay for the same feeling. The sea, calm, wild, and always beautiful. In summer, the sea here is usually calm, smooth, inviting, perfect for long swims and floating under the sun. But in spring and autumn, VÁrkiza shows another dramatic. The sound of water gets louder, deeper. Some days, the waves roll in strong and powerful, and the beach feels wild and alive. It's beautiful in every season, just with a different mood. Why swimming in the sea is good for you? Greeks will tell you, the sea heals. And honestly, they're not wrong. Swimming in the sea relaxes the mind, strengthens the body, improves circulation, clears your head, and somehow resets your mood. whole day. And if you don't swim, just walking barefoot near the water already does half the job. A touch of Greek legend. According to ancient Greek myths, the sea was ruled by Poseidon, god of the oceans. Greeks believed the sea could protect travelers, punish arrogance, and reward respect. Some legends say the sea remembers everyone who enters it. So if that's true, VARKIZA has met people from all over the world and keeps their stories quietly beneath the waves. Final thoughts. As we continue this walk, listen to the waves, feel the breeze, and notice how open this place feels. VARKIZA isn't about luxury, it's about space, freedom, and calm energy. Thank you for walking with me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tell me, what dog do you have, or would you bring one here? See you in the next beach walk. Until then, stay relaxed, stay curious, and enjoy the sea.